I created my own version of the trending latte look. Though I'm going to share the full makeup later, I took out a section where I'm doing my contour, blush and highlighting, and I've made a video just for that. Today I'm using a cream contour stick. Apply it right under your cheekbones, your jawline for the double chin, on your forehead and temple area, and a little around your nose. Make sure it doesn't get on top. Today I'm just using a thick angled brush. You can use a sponge, you can use a thinner brush, whatever works for you, and make sure you blend it out exactly in the places where I've made the marks. I'm taking my Studio Fix. You can take any powder of your choice and just apply it on the highlighted areas, not on the contoured parts. Next comes blush. The blush has to be applied on top of the contoured part. Once you do that, make sure you blend it well. Keep this little video handy the next time you do your contour, and I promise you'll be very happy with your results. One major secret about good makeup is to make sure you blend with patience. The more you blend, the softer your look. And when it comes to daily looks, elegant looks, the kind of looks that I share, blending is super important. Now take a highlighter of your choice and a good fan brush. And the highlighter goes on the part which is on top of the blush. So basically, if you come from down to up, it's contour, blush and then highlighter. You put some on your temple as well and a little bit on the tip of your nose, but not too much so that it doesn't look sweaty. Hope this video really helps. Enjoy!